Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To enable one-handed mode, go to Settings, then in Settings, go to System, then Gestures, one-handed mode, and enable it. Now, you can use your one-handed mode by swiping down at the bottom of your screen. Then you can see that now now you can reach the top elements of your screen with just your thumb. So for example, when I'm in settings and I want to reach that high setting, then I can slide down at the bottom and then I can quickly and easily reach everything. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.